Question: what is Eloquent ORM in Laravel and how does it simplify database interaction? Eloquent is a Laravel built-in ORM that makes working with database much easier. Instead of writing long SQL queries, you can use simple PHP code through models to get, add, or update data. Si Eloquent parang shortcut sa database. Hindi mo na kailangan magsulat ng puro SQL. Magamit ka lang ng PHP code at models para makuha o baguhin ang data. Mas mabilis at mas malinis ang coding. Number 2, how does Laravel handle HTTP requests and defining routes? All, requ- all requests in Laravel pass through index.php. Then it checks the routes like in web.php to know which page or function to run. Routes connect a URL to a controller or a simple function. Kapag may kapag may na-open ka ng link, dumadaan muna ito sa index.php. Tapos hahanapin sa routes kung anong page ang tatawagin para mapasya mapasya ng website para alam ng system saan dadalhin ang user. Number 3, explain the role of the blade templating engine in Laravel. Blade is Laravel's templating engine for views. It lets you mix HTML and PHP easy with the clean syntax like using if or for each. It keeps the logic and design separate so your code looks nice. Si Blade ang ginagamit sa paggawa ng front page ng Laravel. Madali kang makakapaghalo ng HTML at PHP pero mas simple at organized ang code. Hindi na magulo kasi hiwalay ang design at logic. Number 4, what are the security features provided by Laravel? Laravel has a built-in security features like CSRF, protection, SQL injection, prevention through Eloquent, and password hashing. It also automatically escapes data in a view to avoid XSS traps. May sariling security si Laravel. May CSRF token para hindi makapasok ang fake request. Naka-hash ang password para sa para para safe kahit ma-hack ang database. At auto-protected na rin laban sa SQL injection, XSS. 5, how does Laravel support task scheduling? Laravel has a scheduler where you can set tasks like sending emails or backup to, to run automatically instead of many cron jobs. You just sit one and Laravel manage. The rest using simple methods like daily or every 10 minutes. May scheduler si Laravel para sa mga gawain na inuulit tulad ng pag-backup o pag-send ng email. Isang cron job lang ang gagawin mo, tapos si Laravel na ang bahala takbo sa task ayon sa schedule.